ATL2 Assembly Tutorial. First, count the components, which include vending machine main unit, feeding tray, feeding holder, stopper shed, air blow gun, bent tabletop, waste box, U-disc, soft dog, control card, computer stand, keyboard holder, display holder, monitor stand, displayer, computer, keyboard and mouse. Now let's proceed to the assembly process. 1. Assemble the feeding tray. Remove the fixed screws of the reserved brackets. Install feeding tray. Insert the feeding tray. Assemble the stopper shed. Two. Assemble the curved countertop. Remove the fixed screws of the reserved brackets. Place the countertop support and align the screw holes. Align the work table with the hole positions. Retaining screw. Three. Assemble the monitor. Remove the fixed screws of the reserved brackets. Assemble the fixed bracket. Remove the fixed screws of the reserved hanging brackets. Assemble the hanger. Install the monitor. Four. Assemble the keyboard stand. Loosen the fixing screws. Hang keyboard stand. Tighten the fixing screw. Five. Install the board card. Remove the computer case cover. Insert the control card. Screws are used to fix the two communication interfaces. Close the computer case cover. Six. Connect wire. Open the front door of the machine box. Open the side door of the machine's box. Pass the keyboard and mouse cables through the cable hole. Pass the board card data cable through the threading hole. Insert the power cords of the computer and the monitor into the separate power outlet, and pass through the conduit hole. Turn on the switch of the independent power supply socket. Close the side door of the machine box. Close the front door of the machine box. Connect board card data cable. Connect the keyboard and mouse. Connected the computer's power cord. Connect the data cable of the monitor. Connect the power cord of the monitor. Connect compressed air. Connect the power cord to the main unit. Seven. Unlock the feed shaft. Open the rear cover of the machine. Loosen the 2 screws shown in the video. Release the constraint on the feeding shaft. Note: if the machine needs to be transported over a long distance, please tighten these 2 screws to fix the shaft body. Reset the cover plate. Finally, align the waste box with the slot position and place it beneath the body. 8. Power on. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the computer. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Power on successful. Complete assembly of the entire machine. Thank you for watching.